Come on, 35! Come on, Subhash! Come on, Subhash, 35! Yeah, come on, 35! Yeah! Come on, 35! Come on, Subhash!
The last pose, front, abdomen, and pride muscle. Yes, sir, that is! Who's the champion?
What's your normal workout routine approaching the competition?
Approaching the competition, I split my sessions into two. I make upper body and lower body sometimes. I go for push and pull sometimes, like back and biceps one day, that is pull. So I go shoulder, chest and triceps one day, like a push. And I give priority for my weak point training also for in the competition training. So I train every day, whatever the weak part is there, just to boost it in a quicker way.
This is the training in the season.
In the season, yeah, on season.
And off season किती वेगळे असतात your training?
Off season वेगळे म्हटल्यार I give more rest for my body to grow. So there are more rest periods between workouts. For example, I will train 2 days, then the third day I will take rest. Another 2 days, and the third day will be a rest.
आणि न्यूट्रिशन कशें असता ऑन सिजनान आणि ऑफ सिजनान कितें चेंजीस असता?
Well, on season जितलो जेन्ना स्टार्ट जाता, we cut down on the carbs and fats. We consume minimum level of fats and we intake more proteins. So because off season you can go on bulking, no problem. You can get maximum size with the fats, no problem. But off season you have to have minimum fats. That looks good on the stage with the muscularity and definition. So off season आमी चड fats consume करता, we get size. And when the season comes, 3 months before that, we cut down everything and just proteins. We load proteins in the body.
And weight training and there is another dimension of weight training, that is cardiovascular training.
Yes.
So what's your cardio training like?
Well, I personally like to do my cardio workout just after the training. It's like body will give the energy first, whatever energy it will be converted first, and then the fat burning starts. So my energy is consumed in my weight training, and then there is an exact time to burn fats. I switch to cardio.
Let's now take a short break. We'll be back very shortly and talk more with Mahesh.
जेन्ना सुर्याचो मुवमेंट जेन्ना आकाशान जालो,
सिजन्स म्हणल्यार आमची पृथ्वी जी आसा ती अशी स्ट्रेट नासता, पूण ताका अशी टिल्ट जाल्ली वांकडी आसता.
ध्रुव तारा जेका पोल स्टार अशें म्हणटात.
हय, हांव जाणा, होळयेच्या सणा बद्दल हांव जाणा. तेन्ना आमी शिवमगा अशें म्हणटात.
म्हणजे म्हाका आतां कळ्ळें की शिवमगा म्हणजे शिमगो जो आमी साजरो करता.
एक ताळी दियात सगळे जाणां, एक राउंड ऑफ एप्लॉज फॉर शर्मा. हे सगळे सुंदर जी नक्षत्रां आसात हे सगळे जाणून घेवया, एक पावल फुडें घालुया आमच्या ह्या मालिकेत, ज्याचे नाव आसा अंतरिक्ष अप अप अँड अवे.
पळयात अंतरिक्ष अप अप अँड अवे. सोमारा दनपारां 2 4 आणि रातीक 10:30 वरांचेर. बुधवारा सकाळी 10:30 आणि सांजे वेळार 8:30 वरांचेर. आणि शुक्रारा सांजे वेळार 3 आणि 7.
you are such a top bodybuilder in Goa, and this season I think is your best season
Yeah.
ever in state bodybuilding, isn't it?
It has been the best season.
Okay, may you get a lot of success in the
Thank
local
you.
season. But tell me, you also represent Goa at the national level.
Yeah.
So, what is your experience of national level championship? What's the kind of performance that you have given at the nationals, and how do you feel about it?
I think we need some more experience, and we need to spend some more time to learn the national level strategies and their techniques, the way they train. And I think we should focus more on our diet. Our Goan diet is mostly comprised of coconut, which is very, very bad and unhealthy for the body. So I think I'm young at this moment. I think after 2 or 3 years, I'm looking forward for a gold medal at the national level.
Okay, this tells us that you are not happy about your performance at the national level.
At the national
Yeah,
level.
at the moment. I mean,
Yeah.
So why we are inferior to the national level bodybuilders? Kidak difference? Why Goans are not able to make an impression at the national level?
I think the technique of the training is also a big part of it.
Okay.
And the diet, the people of Goa, I think they don't follow serious diet.
Acha.
So after off season plays a very important role in this. So I think we should not break our diet in off season as well. We should maintain that.
national level are dietanuच मार खाता because that's what you think is the main point. Dietaचेर आमी फाटी पडटा.
And I think if the government provides little more better facilities,
Okay.
we can show our performance in that way also.
Okay, the point that I think you're making is mostly national levelar जे impress करता ते महाराष्ट्राचे आणि पंजाबाचे बॉडीबिल्डर्स असता तांकां jobs आणि various incentives are amazing.
Yeah,
You get a
yeah.
lot of motivation from that.
Yeah, exactly.
And whereas bodybuilders from Goa are concerned, they are, I mean, I don't know whether anyone takes them seriously. The government level takes them seriously. So that's what you want improvement in. You want government to
There
help
is support from the Goa government, no doubt.
Okay.
People like Papa Vidikar, Sanjay, Patil.
Through the association.
Yeah, through the association. But I think they should give better incentives.
Okay.
Some more incentives, so that the bodybuilders also can show the interest.
Right.
And they can train in that way and show some performance.
Absolutely. Okay. तू नॅशनल लेवलार क्लासीक कॉम्पिटिशनान फाटी गेल्लो
exactly.
क्लासीक तातून कॅटेगरीज नसता आनी ऑल
It
आर
was open competition.
ऑल आर इन वन स्टेज एट द
Yeah.
सेम लेवल
All India people were in the same stage.
I think you competed with Suhas Khamkar
Yeah,
in that
yeah.
competition. Just tell me, I mean, what's your experience about that competing with the big guys of Indian
Yeah,
bodybuilding?
it was a good experience actually, but I was looking very small in front of them.
Okay.
Punjab people and Maharashtra people are genetically big and they are hefty. So Suhas Kamkar was standing in my left side, and Mahesh from Andhra Pradesh, who is Mr. Universe second place, he was standing at my right side. So I was in middle of them, and I was looking like a chicken in front of them. So
तांचेकडे उलयलो आमी.
yeah.
Share केला तुम्ही.
तेंचेकडे उलयलो. They told me nice things about diet and last moment strategies, like holding the water and everything.
Okay.
Yeah.
That's a very important thing that I wanted to ask
Yeah.
you. What is it about water? कित्याक बॉडी बिल्डर कॉम्पिटिशनान देवच्या पयलीं थोडे दीस पयलीं उदक पिवप बंद करता?
Exactly.
Can you just elaborate what is the scientific reason behind it?
Actually, it starts with a 10-day program. Okay. When there is a contest, we start consuming only proteins before 7 days, before the water, before we stop the water. So the idea behind this is, when you consume protein for 7 days, body is deprived of carbs.
Okay.
Muscles shrink, they grow smaller, and when you stop the water, you have to input carbs. When you input carbs, the body is shocked, it gets shocked, and the muscles become round because the carbs are immediately loaded into your muscles. So they look bigger and they look more round on the stage. And when you hold the water, the skin, the fat which is remain in the skin, it goes down and it wraps in the muscle. So it looks more round and you look like you don't have any fats, and the body becomes dry, and which looks good on the stage.
आणि तान बी लागली जाल्यार मागीर कितें?
That's the only way we have to do.
मागीर कितें
But-
टॅबलेट्स बी येता?
Some people use diuretics,
Ah.
tablets, but I like to hold water better than the tablets, because tablets can give you side effects as well.
Oh.
Yeah.
Is it prohibited under NADA or WADA code, those tablets?
No, they are not prohibited. They are just diuretics.
And finally, we come to the bodybuilding on stage. Looks really good because of the dyeing agent that people apply. You yourself apply a light color shade.
Yeah, 10 color.
What is the reason behind applying those different kind of dyes?
Actually, it's a tan color in
tan.
which
Tanning agent.
In which you look like you have tanned your skin. So for dark people, it's an advantage on stage. For being dark, their cuts are more visible because black color reflects light.
Okay.
Sorry, black color absorbs light. Yeah. So the cuts are more visible on stage, and you gain more points. Whereas for fair people like me, the white reflects. So the cuts are not more visible as the dark person is. So that is the idea. So we apply tan color for getting those more points.
Oh. Yeah, it also makes the bodybuilders look really good.
Yeah.
Actually. Okay, just before we wind up, what would you like to tell the aspiring bodybuilders who want to make an impression first at the state level, of course? Advice.
I think they should look forward for training maximum times in the gym, and same time look for the technique, how they train, and make sure the diet is proper. They eat maximum meals, the small meals. Instead of 3 big meals, they can cut down to 6 small meals, in which the body will be fed every time. Consume more proteins, and don't go into such many products are available in the market right now. So make sure the right product is chosen by the right person. That's the only suggestion I will give them.
Okay. Thank you very much, Mahesh, for talking to us.
Thank you so much.
And that was Mahesh Kavlekar, Goa's numero uno bodybuilder. That's all the time we have in this show. See you next week. Keep watching Prudent Media. Goodbye.